SUAPP AIR. Rendering style. SUAPP AIR currently offers three main rendering style categories: Linksy V2 style, Linksy style, Classic style. The rendering style library also provides three display modes: sidebar mode, menu mode, dialog mode. Among the three rendering types, the Classic style focuses on diverse creative exploration. It supports a wide range of design needs and is highly versatile. It is ideal for the early concept stage, allowing designers to quickly generate multiple styles of renderings. To spark design inspiration, you can think of it as an inspiration generator. The Linksy style emphasizes higher image quality control, delivering refined and detailed visuals. Linksy is more precise and sensitive. In recognition, it understands input images and prompts more intelligently and interprets design intent more accurately. The Linksy V2 style is an advanced version of Linksy. It offers even higher precision and control. Linksy V2 integrates Nano Banana Pro and more precise presentation of design results. It is especially suitable for later design stages, if your goal is precise visualization, material replacement, or fine control over design details. If the boss wants to revise the design, then the reference migration in the Linksy V2 style is the first choice. Each style has its own strengths. Choosing the right one matters most. Go and try it out.